Montessori materials related to human culture include geography materials, like puzzle maps and globes, history materials, timelines, artifacts, culture cards, ochero, and botany materials, which are part of the study of the world of man and plants. Other materials focus on the fundamental needs of humans like food, shelter, clothing, and art, using charts, picture cards, real-life objects to explore commonalities across different cultures. Geography and history. Children use these to learn about continents, countries, landforms. The introductory world map puzzle is a common example. Timelines and timelines of history. These materials help children understand the concept of time and the order of historical events. These are used for history and culture lessons. They can include flashcards, classified cards, or picture stories that introduce topics like the history of writing. Materials are available for children to different forms of creative expression, include real instruments, cards with image of AR from around the world.